If you've ever wanted your WordPress site to look a little more polished by removing those automatic underlines from links, especially when building with Elementor, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the easiest way to remove underline styling from all the links on your site. No custom CSS, no headaches, and no plugin clutter. By the end of this tutorial, your site's links will match your brand's style perfectly, and you'll have a sharper, cleaner look that's more inviting to visitors. Let's get started right away. The method I'll show you works globally, so all your links everywhere on your site will get the new look at once. This is ideal if you want a consistent design, and you won't have to worry about fixing link styles on every single page. First step, open up any page in the Elementor editor. It doesn't matter which page you choose because we're not changing just this page, we're going to tweak a setting that applies across your whole site. So head into the WordPress dashboard, pick a page, even a draft is fine, and click Edit with Elementor. Give it a second to load up if your site is a bit large. Sometimes Elementor might take a moment to open, especially if you have lots of widgets or content. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, take a look in the top left corner. You'll see a three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to the site settings, basically the control center for how your website looks as a whole. From the drop-down that appears, choose Site Settings. If you're new to Elementor, don't worry, Site Settings is designed to let you set up things like colors, fonts, and other design elements that affect every page at once, so you're in the right place. Now find the typography option in the Site Settings menu. The typography section controls how your text looks throughout your website. Inside typography, look for the part labeled Links. This is where you have control over how any clickable text, your links, look on all your pages and posts. Here's a good point to mention. Adjusting link styles globally keeps your branding tight and makes sure your site feels professionally designed. Next, in the links section, there's a pencil icon next to typography. Click that pencil to edit how links appear. Under these link settings, you'll find a drop-down called Decoration. By default, this is set to default, which often means underline links because that's the traditional web look. To remove the underlines, open that decoration drop-down and select None. Instantly, you'll notice any sample text or live preview on the right side change. Links will no longer have that underline, giving you a cleaner look. Kind of like swapping old underlined text for a modern magazine headline. For some sites, this small change makes a big difference. Before you finish up, here's a quick but important step. Don't forget to hit Update or Publish to save these changes. This pushes your new link style to the entire site, so every link on every page follows the same rule. Sometimes people forget this final click, and their changes don't show up, so double-check and confirm you've updated. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily remove all those link underlines from your WordPress site using Elementor. It's one of those small adjustments that can really make your site stand out and feel more custom. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.